Harold Pick is our customer who has his own workshop for electronic repair in the U.S. He's placed many orders with us, and now he wants to place an order with us by using our FBU service. Utsource FBU, or Fulfillment by Utsource service, provides one-stop package service for customers that helps you to save cost and time. It's an integrated service for SME users. Its features include high efficiency, high speed, safety, and convenience. Now I'll show you more about our FBU service. On utsource.net, you can choose products from thousands of suppliers and millions of products. We offer a variety of reliable online payment methods like PayPal, credit card, Western Union, and local payment wallets. When we get your order, our automatic order printing system will start working, and your order will be printed automatically the first time, which will save more time. Your order will be assigned to our distribution database system after printing, which ensures that your order can be matched the first time. At the same time that the order is printed, the part number you ordered has been automatically assigned to the PDA system of our purchasing department. We have the most advanced PDA procurement system and an excellent purchasing team. With more than 5,000 suppliers, we can offer a better, faster, and more professional service. Utsource strictly guarantees the quality of the purchased goods. We'll carefully test every part to ensure the quality of the products received by customers. We have a separate storage position for each purchase order number, ensuring that every customer's order can be packed and delivered in the shortest time. When all the parts are in stock, our packers will start to pack the parcel. The parcel and part will be photographed and confirmed when we're packing. We use a double-layered package of safety foam cotton and anti-static bag to ensure that every single parcel is safe in transit. After the parcels are packed, the warehouse records it to ensure that each customer's order and package are matched, so that every item you receive has its traces. We work with FedEx, UPS, and DHL to ensure that the parcel can be delivered in 3 to 5 days. We also offer our customers the shipping insurance service. You can ask for a return and refund, and we'll pay the freight. We also provide the perfect after-sales service for your order, long warranty period, and fast refund. You can also use our FBU logistics account and return the parcel for free. And we also provide a toll-free call, so you can contact us anytime. FBU is your reliable partner, and Utsource is sincerely at your service.